Selling stick vac from Dyson, which happens to be our #1 selling vacuum and stick vacuum brand here at QVC. We're going to give you the opportunity to clean up every single crevice of your house. And you're going to do it with the V8 Extra. Now, this one has the detangle attachment that you're seeing there. It's a cordless vacuum. We give you all the tools, if purchased separately today, over $607. Look at that. No hair, nothing in the brush roll, just a clean carpet all the way down to the base.
Yes.
That's what you're getting from Dyson every single time. Now, it's a $607 back out. Look at the price on your screen, $299.
I know.
That's better than
good.
any price we've ever brought to you before. Debbie Fedukov is here with us today, and we're gonna bring you the opportunity to get this version of clean in your house. I always say, if you have a Dyson in your house, you have the cleanest house.
Yes.
Because you use it every single day. The V8 is one of the lightest weight models. We've got it for you with in the red color today, which is really popular all the time. And you're getting all of these attachments to go along with it. And take a look at your screen. The vacuum on its own is $470. Our price is $300. And you're getting all the extra attachments, which would bring this up to over $607. $60 is your easy pay, free shipping and handling. Debbie, let's talk about this, okay? Because the thing is, with over 4,000 five-star reviews on QVC.com for a vacuum, people are passionate about Dyson.
Well, and about the V8. This is our best-selling model here at QVC.
Oh, yes.
And Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums, which is what this is. It's cordless, it is lightweight, less than 6 pounds. You're gonna be able to take this all over your home, do your hard floors, do your carpeted surfaces, and it does have our latest detangling technology. So just, you know, again, to show you how powerful this is.
By the way, this is in the low mode.
Yes, this is the regular, everyday cleaning mode where you get up to 40 minutes of run time, which is incredible. And you can go right from the carpet up to the bare floor. You don't have to do any adjusting, which I love. You just go from surface to surface. Look at that line of clean. It's not scattering, it's not snow plowing, it's just picking everything up. And let me turn this over and show you, because we picked up all of that long hair. Look how clean this brush roll is. So if you have pets, if you have long hair, you don't have to worry about anything getting tangled. And here, just to show you a little comparison, our older technology did not have that. So you would be left with a mess. And you'd have to get out your scissors and clean your vacuum, but not anymore.
Listen, this is the day to upgrade. If you already have a Dyson, this is the day to try this out. If you've never owned a Dyson before, it gets in every single crevice and surface in your home. I use this to clean my entire house.
Top to bottom,
yes,
right?
Exactly.
Because, and with this configuration, you're getting 5 tools that you wouldn't normally get. So 5 extra tools. I'm gonna show you 2 of them right now. This is the up top adapter. Look at the way that moves and bends.
For your ceiling fans.
Absolutely, the tops of your kitchen cabinets. Here's the soft dusting brush. So now, because this vacuum is so light, you're gonna lift it up over your head. You're gonna clean all those up high, hard to reach areas. You're gonna dust even like your, you know, recessed lights. You're gonna be able to dust those. This can get wherever you need it to go. And so when we think about spring cleaning, it's perfect, because literally, whether you want to do the ceiling or you want to do the spaces in between, like all of your upholstery. Here we have the hair screw tool. So the same way the cleaner head has detangling technology, this does as well.
So if you've got pets, you know, kitties or doggies that shed on the furniture, maybe you're using it for the risers on the staircase. It even works on the pillows.
Right, for the pillows, refreshing. Yeah, I mean, you're really going to be able to clean everything, and even take it out to your car, because there's no cord. This goes wherever you need it to go.
You know, do not baby your Dyson V8. Work with it, use it, enjoy it, clean all the areas of your home. If you own a Dyson, we'd love for you to give us a call, share your story live on air. We've sold over 2.8 million Dyson vacuums here at QVC. This is our best-selling model. Now, I love this demonstration, and if you're brand new to watching QVC, you've probably not seen something like this before, but this, to me, looks like a very clean carpet. It's a shag rug.
It does. And what we're going to do is just take a look at my bin, because there's nothing in the bin to start. We're going to do what we like to call the Dyson challenge. So we're going to vacuum the rug that looks clean.
Can I help you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, let me do
for it. Yes. So what I love about this is, you know, I want you to vacuum one more time with whatever vacuum you're using right now. And then when you get your V8 home, please take it out, charge it up, and then go over that same area. You'll be so amazed at the power this has to deep clean the carpets in your home.
Okay, so that was pretty fast. The carpet looks good.
Looks great.
I see all the, oh wow. What I didn't see was all of this
Wait until
that was in the carpet.
See. And I love that dirt ejector because you just pull up on that, everything's gonna go right in the trash can. And all of this was hiding in that carpet that we thought was clean.
Gross.
So again, you know, carpets wear down from the bottom up, Alberti. So if your vacuum is leaving things behind, missing things, not only will odor start to kind of accumulate in your home, but you're also going to start to wear down those carpet fibers. So really important that you have something powerful like this Dyson V8 Extra.
Listen, it's lightweight, it's powerful, it does the job. By the way, again, we're using it in the regular everyday mode.
Yes.
Because I will tell you, the very first time I got my V8, I was vacuuming all the time on the highest mode.
Oh, yeah, you don't
which,
need
by
to.
the way, it's great.
Yes.
And you can do that, but the everyday mode works awesome.
So here's how you switch from the mode. So we're in the regular powerful suction mode, but if I slide this over, I am in the max mode. So it will give you more power, less runtime. But reserve that for those stubborn messes, like when you know, the dog comes in with muddy paw prints. Here we're gonna vacuum and clean this hard floor that also looks good, Alberti, because we wanna show you that dirt and dust hides in all surfaces, whether it's a bare floor or a deep shag carpet like we just did. The V8 Extra can not only handle it, it's gonna give you beautiful results. And you can see how shiny this floor is because there are actually carbon fiber bristles on this cleaner head that are dusting as I'm vacuuming. So it looks great, and wait till you see what we got out of this floor.
Whoa.
That looked clean.
Wait, that's impossible. How is that in there? That's like a magic trick. But the thing is this, right, it could be in between the floorboards. It could be in your grout. I've had the Dyson V8 pick up glitter out of the grout lines in the bathroom, not knowing how the glitter got there to begin with, right?
Yeah, it's gonna find it all, it's gonna get it all, and you know, things hide in these cracks and crevices of these floorboards, and again, that's what scratches the floor over time, kind of wears them down. So really great that this has the power to draw and pull up all of those things, and also has whole machine filtration, which we can talk about.
Yes, we're gonna talk about that in a second, but here's what I want you to see. The vacuum on its own with the standard accessories that come along with it.
Yes, but these three are what you would normally get.
Okay, so the crevice tool, the multi-tool, and then the hair screw tool.
Yep.
Those three alone with the vacuum would be $469 and change. Okay, today we're gonna give you the 5 extra attachments that you're seeing here that make this truly a whole house cleaning machine. It would be $607.94 if purchased separately. Our price is less than $300 or a $60 easy pay just to try it out. Right here at QVC, we give you that easy pay. There's no hidden fees. It's not a gimmick. We just charge your credit card $60 and then we send it to your home.
And this is not a refurbished.
People ask all the time.
People ask me that. Is it? No, this is what you would get
brand
anywhere else.
New,
brand
out of the
new.
box. We have a great relationship with Dyson. In fact, we've sold over 2.8 million Dyson vacuums here at QVC. Today's your chance to pick it up and get this technology in your home. Take a look at this video.
Yeah, root cyclonic technology, which means no loss of suction. It's powered by our digital V8 motor, so lots of power, plenty of runtime, up to 40 minutes, and our latest detangling technology. So perfect for anybody that has pets or long hair. You never have to worry about it tangling around that brush roll. And it's going to deep clean because those red bristles are actually nylon. They drive deep down into the carpet, and then the black bristles are carbon fiber and they dust the bare floor. You're getting whole machine filtration, which means as you're picking up the dirt, the dust, the allergens, these filters are lifetime washable filters. There's 2 of them on the machine, and they capture 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. So when we talk about spring cleaning, allergies, right? We're trying to get our home as clean as possible. It's great to know that the filters are capturing those particles and not putting them back in there.
Yeah, we have a really cool demonstration. Walk us through this. Tell us what's happening.
So look at the machine on the top. Without that whole machine filtration, the dirt and dust that the vacuum is collecting is just blowing out the exhaust of the vacuum. Look at the V8 on the bottom. Look how clean that air is coming out. Because again, those particles and allergens are being captured in the filter.
Well, listen, there's a reason why over 300 people have just checked out of their shopping cart. Do the same for yourself. Add this to your home. Maybe it's for the upstairs and like you're purchasing it. Because that's how I purchased my Dyson first. I was like, okay, I'm gonna have it for the upstairs, a stick vacuum, because I didn't believe that it was gonna clean my house the same way.
And then you use it everywhere.
Now I use it everywhere, all the time, every day, and I have the cleanest house in America because of this.
It does. It really changes the way you clean, Alberti. It makes it so easy. It makes it almost fun, if I dare say.
Yeah.
And you can
Well,
go...
you know what it makes it? It makes it no longer a hassle.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
You never think to yourself, I gotta drag the vacuum out, I have to plug it in, unroll it, plug it in, then carry it around, and then roll up the wire again. This, look at the power that you're getting with this. That's in the max mode.
I just put it in the max mode to show you. Look at how everything jumps right in. Now, even again, in that regular powerful mode, I'm still able to pick all this up. So lots of power here. Changing the attachments is really easy. The red buttons are called quick release buttons. You're just pushing those and then clicking in the next tool. Now this is the hair screw tool, so this one gives you that detangling technology, but also gives you a motor in the attachment, whereas the other attachments are air driven. So look at what a deep clean, I mean, think about your car. If you like a clean car, you take this out to the car and it does such a great job.
One pass.
Yeah, one.
One pass and you get everything.
You want to do the crevice?
Yes, please.
All right. So again, you know, they're easy to change the attachments too, and I love that you're getting one for every job.
So look at this. You're getting right in there. You're getting. By the way, there's also like little hairs in there and stuff. There's some hairs up here too. This is the tool this is the attachment that I use the most.
The crevice
obviously,
tool is
right?
great.
You use that for everything. But now, say you wanted to go over to the stairs, right? And you wanted to work on the tops of the stairs, but as well as the risers. It's the perfect size for the riser, and you can get this done quickly and easily without having to really put a lot of effort in this at all. It does all the work for you. And you know what? Because I am so OCD, I'm gonna go all the way down because I like to see the lines.
I know, it looks so good. And you know, you're not lugging something big and heavy up and down the steps. You're not worrying about tripping over a cord as you go. It's all the power right in the palm of your hand. So it's less than 6 pounds when it's in the full mode. Here it's about 4 pounds.
Wow, so just 4 pounds to be able to, again, you can lift that over your head.
Absolutely, I mean, a gallon of milk weighs 8 pounds.
All right, so
think
listen,
about that.
Come on over here. I want you to see again, because this is the lowest price that we've ever offered this to you at, right? This is the V8 Extra with the hair detangling tools. That's the attachment, those are the attachments that you're getting, both at the cleaner head as well as in the hair screw tool over there. At retail, if you were to buy this right over here, this would cost $469.99. Our price is less than $300, so you're saving $169 right away.
I know.
And then we're gonna throw in these tools, which altogether would be $670.94 or $607.94. So QVC is the only place where you can get a price like this with Dyson, and we can send it to you with free shipping with a $60 payment on a credit card. I always say, buy your Dyson on Easy Pay because it feels like it's free. You never notice the charges on your credit card.
And you'll
That's
have
60
a clean
bucks.
home right away, perfect for spring cleaning. Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuum. So if you've never tried stick vacuum before, I encourage you to get this home and try it. This is our most popular and our best seller here at QVC. It's got all the power that you need. It's got the technology you want with the detangling vanes on this cleaner head, so you never have to worry about tangling up pet hair or long hair. And you can use this on all surfaces, carpet right to bare floor. I'm gonna go right through the middle.
Wow.
Look at that.
You know what I just thought of? Our Q card offer today. If you sign up for a Q card, you get $50 off your purchase.
Oh my gosh.
Get it on this. It'll literally be the lowest priced Dyson in America.
That I've ever seen.
Yeah, exactly. $299.98 down to $249.98 with that Q card, and if you're picking it up with the Q card today. V46794 is your item number. Now is your chance to go to QVC.com and get the deal on Dyson.
Yes.
Get the deal on the Dyson. Debbie Fedyukov, always a pleasure to have you in the show. That's what you're getting, right? There's the V8 Extra with all the tools. By the way, this tool, we didn't show it to you. This tool helps you get into like all those spaces in your car. It's awesome. All right, continue placing your orders for that because we are very busy with over 500 orders checked out already. That is our big sale item from Dyson, but alll is gonna launch a big deal with Sonicare, another national name brand, right now.
All right, this is exactly why you